Hello, in this video I'm going to show the home screen tricks on Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro. Alright, so let's begin. To launch the menu, all we need to do is to hold on an empty space on our home screen, just like that. Now we have the menu and we can adjust a few things. We can quickly change the wallpaper and the style. If you click on that, you can change the wallpaper if you click this button. You can also select the color palette for your tab if you click on that. And when you enable it, you can see that some of those colors has been changed. Down below, we have the wallpaper colors that we can select. They are simply based on our wallpaper. Or we can select the basic colors and select one from that list. Let's say blue. Then to change it, simply hit on apply. In here above you have some preview how it's going to look like in some apps. So this is how it's going to look like when we open up our bar. That's how it's going to look like, for example, in phone app, in here in the calculator, and in here on our home screen. Let's apply it for a few seconds, and I'll show you that, for example, when I will expand the notification bar right in here, you can see that those colors has been successfully applied. Also, we have the apply palette to app icons as a feature. And now you can see that they are going to look in that way. Let's also apply it. I will get back into our home screen just to show you that it has been successfully set, so we can customize it in that way. Okay, but let's get back. In my case, I will turn it off. I want those colors to be default. And now, second thing are the widgets. They're really cool. So I always like to create a few of them. In here on the left side, the first option from above are the recommended widgets, but down below we have a list of all apps of which we can create a widget. So let's try to create a new widget, for example, from the clock. Let's select that, and in here we have a lot of actually styles of the widget. Let's select, for example, that one. Now click on add, and it has appeared on our screen. If you want to change its position, simply grab it and then place on the screen that you want. If you grab on the edge of it, you can also adjust its size, and you can even see that the style is a little bit different. Let's stick to the normal one. And also, we have another cool thing that allows us to create a stack of the widgets. But you need to remember that we need to have at least two widgets, and they need to have the same size. So let's create a new one, for example, from the Chrome. Let's select the Chrome Dino because it has the same size. Let's click on add. Let's grab it and let's place it on the alarm. Or actually, okay, my bad. Hold on one of the widgets and then click on create stack. And now select the second widget, just like that. So let's remove that one. And now, as we scroll left or right, we can change those widgets in this stack. It is really cool because we don't need to create that many widgets. We can simply create a stack of them, and thanks to that we can save some space on our screen. And it helps us to organize everything in the proper way, just like that. For example, let's even add this one into the stack. Oh, actually, it allows us to do it, but you just need to perfectly place it on previous widget. Oh, just like that. Now release, and our widget has been added into the stack, as you can see. Pretty cool thing. Okay, let's open up the settings once again, And now click on the settings. You can also change the app size. Right in here we have this bar, we have 3 locked positions, so I'll stick to the medium. Next to it you can enable or disable the app labels, and when they are turned on you can also disable or enable the widget labels if you're interested in that. Okay, below we can also change the home screen layout. Currently, in my case, I have home and app screens available. Basically, it works in that way that when I'll slide to the app side, in here we have this app drawer, and in here we can find all of our apps installed on our tab. If I will change it, we won't have simply that drawer when I will select home screen only. I will stick to the previous one. We can also change the home screen grid. We have 8:6 or 10:6. When it's 10:6, you can see that we can place more apps on one screen, but simply the icons will be a little bit smaller. Same thing with the app screen grid. Down below, you can enable or disable the app icon badges. We can also lock home screen layout. And now, if you, for example, create your perfect layout and you don't want to change anything accidentally, when you turn this feature on, when you try to move something, the layout is locked and you cannot move anything, so nothing bad will happen to your layout because everything is locked. If you want, you can turn it on, of course. And I'm wondering, there is something more that I want to show you, but I think that's actually all. Maybe the last thing, hide apps and home on home and app screens. If you enable that, you have the list of all apps that you can hide, for example. So let's try to hide, for example, voice recorder, and now they have been hidden. You could see that the video recorder was in here, and now it has been simply hidden. So if you have some apps that you would like to hide, you can do it right in here. But for now, I will remove the recorder from hidden apps. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.